Congress's High Command Court. We expect an announcement, but big breaking news which is coming in. We are quickly moving on to that, and this will have huge implication. The NEET entrance exam for 2026, which was held on the 3rd of May, has been cancelled. NTA has cancelled the NEET examination, which was held on the 3rd of May. This is big news which is coming in. Remember, there were murmurs and a probe which is on even as we speak by the Rajasthan police after there was alleged leaking of the question papers. Over 120 exams question papers, questions were seen to be part of the Common Choice program and papers which were given out. They said and alleged that there was a possible leak in the state of Rajasthan. Following that, NTA has cancelled the NEET 2026 examination. This is absolutely huge. We are waiting for more details which is coming in. This is in continuation to the testing agency's wishes to inform the candidate, parents and members that the NEET exam of undergraduate has been referred to matters under other consideration to the central agencies for independent verification necessary action consistent with the standing commitment to be fair, secure and credible. On the basis of the inputs which have been subsequently examined by the NTA in coordination with the central agencies, in fact, the National Testing Agency, with the approval of the Government of India, has decided to cancel the NEET 2026 examination, which was conducted on the 3rd of May, to reconduct the examination on dates that will be notified separately. This is huge. Let me go across to Shefali. Shefali, what does it mean? After the paper leakage, it appears the fallout is this. Exam has been cancelled. All those who appeared for the exam on the 3rd of May have to reappear.
Right. This is a very big news that is coming. We know that there are news of NEET UG exam being, there's a scam which was being alleged earlier as well. We are currently at the NSUI office where NSUI is also going to hold a protest regarding the same. They are going to move towards the Education Ministry regarding the same matter, asking for answers and accountability. You can see the police deployment over here. Large number of police has been deployed here in order to ask the protesters to not to protest. But clearly, this is big, that complaints regarding such irregularities such as paper leak has surfaced, and due to which the exam has now been cancelled.